Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. My name is Asif Hussain. The roll number is 1450027. My topic is the hypovolemic shock and the roll number is 23. Introduction. Hypovolemic shock, that is the life-threatening condition and that results when patient lost more than 20% or one-fifth of the body fluids such as a blood. This severe fluid loss, it is make impossible for the heart to pump a sufficient amount of the blood in the body. This drops the blood volume, the amount of the blood that is circulating in your body. That's why it is also known as a low volume shock. Because of that, when any accidents or any other conditions, the loss of the blood occurs. That is why it is not possible for the heart to pump a sufficient amount or the tremendous amount of the blood volume to different organs. Stages the hypovolemic shock, the four stages of the hypovolemic shock. First one is the loss of the blood up to the 15% of the total blood volume, that is approximately 750 ml, and in this condition the heart rate is minimally elevated or the normal, and the no change in the blood pressure, pulse pressure and the respiratory rate. And second condition, when the blood loss is 15% or 15 to 30% of the total blood volume, from 750 ml to 1500 ml, the heart rate, respiratory rate both are become elevated, and the blood pressure and urine is become normal or unchanged, and the patient feels some anxiety. And the third one is stage, the blood loss occurs from 30% to 40% of the total blood volume, and 1500 ml to 2000 ml. A significant drop in the blood pressure and changes in the mental status, the heart rate, respiratory rate are significantly elevated, and the urine output, that is the declines, the capillary refill is delayed. Fourth one condition is the volume loss up to the 40% of the total blood volume, the hypotension with the narrow pulse pressure less than 25 millimeter of mercury, tachycardia becomes more pronounced, the mental status becomes increasingly altered, urine output is the minimal or the absent, capillary refill is delayed. And the causes of the hypovolemic shock, there are the many causes of the hypovolemic shock. The first one is the main, that is the bleeding, that from the serious cuts or the wounds, or the bleeding that occur from the blunt traumatic injuries due to accidents, the internal bleeding such as the abdominal organs, or the ruptured ectopic pregnancy, bleeding from the digestive tract, endometriosis or placental abrasion. And the other causes in which the no bleeding included, in which the dehydration or the excessive or the prolonged diarrhea, protracted vomiting, severe sweating, gastrointestinal problems like the stoma or fistula, diuresis, severe burns, and GI loss, in which the vomiting and diarrhea. And these are the conditions in which no bleeding occurs, but it occurs due to the loss of the excessive fluids, because that these are the due to this the loss of severe loss of the other the blood fluids, because that these are the make the part of the blood, such as a plasma, and due to the excessive loss of such fluids, that's why the blood loss becomes occur and the volume of the blood becomes low. Symptoms: cool skin, rapid and shallow breath, rapid heart rate, little or no urine output, weak pulse, lightheadedness, loss of consciousness, fatigue, headache, profuse sweating, dizziness. Diagnostic procedure: echocardiogram, electrocardiogram, cardiac catheterization. Check the temperature, pulse, breathing, blood pressure, blood testing to check for the electrolyte imbalance. Kidney and liver function, CT scan or ultrasound, endoscopy and urinary catheter. Now the treatment of it. A person suspected of having a hypovolemic shock that will receive fluids or the blood products via the IV to replenish the blood loss and improve its circulation. Control the loss of the fluids and the blood plasma transfusion, platelet transfusion, red blood cell transfusion and intravenous crystalloids. जिस पेशेंट का किसी एक्सीडेंट की वजह से या मतलब कि उसका ब्लड लॉस हुआ है, सबसे पहले उसका ब्लड रोकना होता है जल्दी में, और फिर उसमें ब्लड ट्रांसफ्यूज होता है. Administer the medications that increase the heart strength to improve the circulation, such as the dopamine, dobutamine, epinephrine, norepinephrine. Case study now. BA is a 55 years old man that brought to the ED after being stabbed in the abdomen. He had a significant blood loss at the scene, and on arrival he is confused and oriented only to person. His skin is the pale and the cool with a vital signs showing a heart rate is 125 beats per minute, systolic blood pressure is 85 millimeter of the mercury, and the respiratory rate 30 breaths per minute. Now, what is its physiological changes and response of the injury and the goal of the resections in patients with hemorrhagic condition? First one is the subject and the chief complaint of it. The chief complaint is the loss of the tremendous amount of the blood and the hypotensive. Its heart rate is increased and the respiratory rate is also increased. Vital signs: heart rate is 125 beats per minute and the systolic blood pressure is 85 millimeter of mercury and the respiratory rate is the 30 breaths per minute. Current medications are the dobutamine, misoprostol, phenylephrine, carbetocin, and combinations of these drugs, and each with a different effectiveness and the side effects. Now the assessment: the patient that is suffering the severe loss of the blood, therefore his signs and symptoms shows that he is in a hypovolemic shock. Thank you so much. Allah Hafiz.